And number 18, y is less than negative x plus a, and y is greater than x plus b. In the xy plane, if 0, 0 is the solution to the system inequality above, which of the following relationships must be relationship between a and b must be true. Okay. So for this question, yeah, it's kind of hard to see where to begin with this one. Okay, but then they did say 0, 0 is a solution to the system. So if we have an equation and if they say a point is a solution, what we can do is we can always plug in the points here. Whether that's the inequality or equation, doesn't really matter. We can still plug in. So 0, 0 is, first number is the x value and the second one is the y value. Okay, let's just go ahead and plug in. If you plug into the first inequality here, so y value 0 be 0 is less than negative x is 0, right, plus a. Okay, and we simplify this, see what we get is negative 0, nothing, right? So it'll just be 0 is less than a. Okay, so that's what we have from the first equation, right? 0 less than a, that means a had to be a positive number, right? Because a is bigger than 0. So from this inequality, we know a is positive. Okay, a had to be a positive number. All right. So if you plug in 0, 0 into the second inequality, I see what happens. So if you plug it in, so y will be 0, y is greater than x plus b will be 0 plus b. And we simplify this, we get 0 is greater than b. Right? 0 is greater than b, which means b had to be less than 0, right? So b is negative. Okay, b had to be a negative number in order to be less than 0. All right. So though we don't know what a and b exactly, what they represent exactly, but we know a is a positive number and b is a negative number, so that a have to be greater than b no matter what, right? So no matter what they represent, if a is positive, b is negative, a have to be greater than b. So then it should be answer choice A. Okay, A is greater than B. So B doesn't make sense, and then C, we don't know, right? So they take the actual value, it could work as, but not always. Okay, if A is like 1, B is like -2, right? We do the actual value, right? It will be 1 is greater than 2, that's not true. Okay. And then D, A equal negative B, not necessarily. Okay, we could have, A could be 1, B could be -2, right? So that won't be equal. Okay. Yeah, so A is our answer for number 18.